Children, teenagers, and hobbyists of all ages share one thing: a love for expressing themselves through color. Since 1953, Pasuto, the Italian color factory, has made this possible, producing near Venice and bringing color to over 50 countries. Our focus is on three main product lines: superwashable tempera paints, dermatologically tested air-drying modeling clays, and watercolors made with a special cold injection process that bonds the color directly to the tray, no glue needed. We also care about the planet. That's why we created the Eco line, featuring an exclusive cardboard watercolor palette, a smart mix of creativity and sustainability. With our Toy Color brand, we support children's creativity at school and at play. With our Creable brand, we offer tools for artists and hobbyists of all levels. Thanks to flexible production, we can also develop custom projects. This gives our partners the chance to promote their own brand, with the guarantee of certified Made in Italy quality. At Pasuto, we use high-quality materials and follow strict safety standards with one clear goal: to support creativity at every age and in every form.